Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your Facebook Messenger password to keep your account secure. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, look at the lower right corner of your Messenger screen and click on the menu icon. This will open up your main navigation options and give you access to all the important settings you need. From the menu that appears, click on Settings. This is where you can adjust various aspects of your Messenger experience, including privacy controls and account management features. Next, you'll need to click on Account Center. The Account Center is Facebook's centralized hub where you can manage all aspects of your Facebook and Messenger accounts in one place. This is where all your security settings and cross-platform preferences live. Once you're in the Account Center, navigate to Password and Security. This section contains all the tools you need to protect your account, including password management, two-factor authentication, and login alerts. Now click on Change Password. This will take you to the password update interface where you can modify your login credentials. Changing your password regularly is a good security practice, especially if you suspect any unauthorized access to your account. After that, click on your account to select which profile you want to update. This step is important if you manage multiple Facebook or Instagram accounts through the same account center. You'll now need to input your current password in the first field. This verification step ensures that you're the actual account holder making the change, protecting you from unauthorized password modifications. Then, input your new password in the next field. Make sure to choose a strong password that combines letters, numbers, and special characters for maximum security. Avoid using easily guessable information like birthdays or common words. Next, retype your new password in the confirmation field. This double entry system helps prevent typos and ensures you'll remember your new password correctly when you need to log in again. If you want to enhance your account security even further, you can check the checkbox for log out of other devices. This option will immediately sign you out of Messenger and Facebook on all other devices, which is especially useful if you've recently changed your password due to security concerns or if you've used your account on public or shared devices. Once you're satisfied with everything, click Change Password to finalize the update. The system will process your request and apply the new password to your account. Give it a moment to complete this process. And that's it. You've successfully updated your Facebook Messenger password, making your account more secure. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.